Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair the P2138 or your reduced engine power light. First, let's go ahead and remove these two Phillips screws. Sometimes the vehicle will have a third one right behind here. This one does not. Let's lower this kick panel down. You can push the emergency brake to get it down a little further. Twist this light and it'll slide right out. Once you have the kick panel out of the way, you have three 10mm bolts that are holding the accelerator pedal in. Let's go ahead and remove those three 10mm nuts. Once you have those three 10mm nuts out, let's go ahead and pull the accelerator pedal to you, lower it down, slide out this gray retaining tab, and push the middle of it. Slide the accelerator pedal out. Take the new accelerator pedal. Let's go ahead and connect it up. Slide the gray retaining tab. Slide it on to the studs. Alright, let's go ahead and install the three 10mm nuts. Let's go ahead and reinstall the kick panel. Let's slide the kick panel in, slide the light, twist it in, slide the kick panel up, and put our two Phillips screws in. Okay, I'd like to kind of explain to you why we're replacing the accelerator pedal. Inside this accelerator pedal, you have two position sensors. When you depress the pedal, the voltages change. In the sensor 1, it actually changes from 1 volt to 4 volts. And from sensor 2, it changes from a half a volt to 2 volts. When you're pressing the pedal, if the ECM detects the difference between the 1 and 2 signal and the voltage is different when it's supplied, it'll set the code to P2138. The accelerator pedal position sensor, this part right here, it's not serviceable. So you actually have to replace this whole assembly to repair the 2138 code. And you're done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.